Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Closing Comments here on April 2nd. We had an exciting day in the markets, so let's see what happened. Live cattle had a nice bullish momentum today, June 25, pushing up to new all-time highs. Almost had 208 put in at the high, but just fell short of it, closing above 207. Solid rally across the board, close above our bull pivot. Should see the momentum carrying this thing higher throughout the rest of the week. Solid upside all down throughout the rest of the year on all these back months as well. No new all-time highs in October and December, but nonetheless, seeing the momentum carrying us higher should just keep on grinding up. Same story over in the feeders. Did see a little bit of upside, retesting 286 today at the low and closing up near the highs. Solid upside in these front months, while some of these back months did manage to reach new all-time highs today. As we can see all throughout the rest of the year, pretty bullish picture for feeders and fats. Cattle market's looking good. Be looking for these feeders to be heading towards $3 here in the near term. Corn market today, day session was pretty choppy sideways action right around our bear pivot for the day or for the week. Finally did see that gap lower in the after hours, the 6 p.m. Mountain Time open. Did see a gap lower following the tariff talk that shook up a couple of these other markets we're about to get to. Solid downside, should see the bears keep pushing this thing lower. Looks like we're going for the gap fill and potentially go down and be looking for this 442 level. That's going to be an area that we're going to see the bulls and bears battling it out. Below that could open the door for a nice leg lower. However, if the bulls are able to support it here in the range lows, we could see this thing continue to go sideways. Crude oil had a nice rejection today. Early break of the highs followed by the aftermarket breakdown with the tariff talk and another gap lower here as well, pushing down near 69 in the overnight session so far. Bears do need to see this thing get back below 69 and close below that to confirm and continue this downtrend. However, at the moment, just a pretty volatile things going on in these markets today. Should see more downside continue on oil though. Equity markets had a solid day during the day session. Good upside all throughout the day, opening around 56.12, seeing as much as a 120 point rally during the day session. Then came the after hours talk with tariff talk really shaking things up here late, and a gap lower here so far in the evening session. Just going to have to wait and see how things react tomorrow. This is just not a good time to be jumping in here given the volatility, and I'm just encouraging everyone to remain defensive here in the equity markets. Same story across the indexes. Nice upside during the day session followed by that rejection after hours, and a nice breakdown here so far. Things are looking a little shaky. Should be cautious heading into tomorrow. That's all we got for today. Have a good night, everyone.